Hey you guys, this is Snowball. Snowball is a 90 model GMC 1500. In today's video, we not only go pick Snowball up, but we blow Snowball up because I was impatient and unloaded it off the car dolly, drove it halfway home, which you'll find out in today's video. You'll see it. It goes kapooey and blows a hole the size of like a baseball in the oil pan. Pretty big hole, not even gonna lie. But hopefully you enjoy today's video. Hopefully you enjoy Snowball. I named it Snowball because it's solid white, paint match grill and everything. I thought Snowball kind of fit it. So we're gonna get some stickers made, call it Snowball, go buy a new motor for it, put a new motor in it, throw some wheels and tires on it, really make her look pretty. But I love you guys. What's up guys? So I told y'all a long time ago that I traded the Dodge to my aunt for another vehicle, and well, we're gonna go pick up that vehicle today. I didn't actually trade for it. I traded for another one, but then I untraded it and traded for this one. So we're gonna go pick it up today. But we had to put a tire on the tractor before we could go do that. So here in a little while, we're gonna get the car dolly. We're gonna go pick up said truck that I traded for and see what's wrong with it. Supposedly, it's got an engine problem or a transmission problem now. I'm not real sure. All it did need was a drive shaft, and now it needs all this other stuff. So I'll pick you guys back up when we get there. Tire hadn't fell off yet, so we're doing good. We're gonna use my car to use the dolly to go get it, but my car's illegal and we gotta go a few miles on the highway, main highways, so we're gonna swap over to the Dodge and use the Dodge. So I did all this for no reason. And just like that, guys, we're gonna pull this up here, latch her down. Back up when we get there for the truck. Got it loaded up. Beautiful truck. You guys, we got the truck down the road. Supposedly the transmission starts slipping in third or something like that, or it doesn't have third or something. So we're gonna crank it up. We're gonna boost it back off and, oh, okay. Put it in neutral and let it roll off. Sorry for y'all being crooked. It's a beautiful single cab truck though. And like that, we're off the trailer. Now we just gotta boost it off. Oh, she sounds good. Hey, he said it ain't got third gear.
It's in third gear?
I put it in third.
Yeah. Need to tighten the dashboard back up.
Got first. It's got second. It's got third. I'll be right back.
Spin, baby.
Woo, guys, we're riding. Y'all are rocking. This truck's only illegal from 2023. No big deal, right? Don't know if any of my blinkers work. Let's go, let's see. First. Second. It's just got too much transmission fluid in it. It's level full, that's all it is. Because I can pop it down into third. And it is knocking a little bit. I don't know what the ticking sound is. Why will it pull off in first or in third gear but won't shift into third gear? Could be the throttle body. Oh, there's third. It's just got too much transmission fluid in it. It's way above the stick. Like, I should have showed you guys, but it's way too far. The transmission fluid is all the way up the stick. No, but I'm just gonna inch it home. No, did you get something to drink? Now I'm about to die of thirst, but it'll drive in third gear, but it won't shift into third gear. It's got too much transmission fluid in it. So I'll take it home and drain some of the transmission fluid. Here, baby. Just follow me. I can only go about 45. Oil pressure gauge is jumping. Put it in second. So it doesn't have third gear. I don't really know, guys. I'm not a mechanic, but something's going on here. But we're running 50, 55 right now on the speedometer. I hope y'all can hear me pretty well, and maybe it's not like I'm over yelling or anything like that, but I think we're doing good. Our oil pressure gauge is maxed out above 80, but it jumps back down to 40, which tells me that the oil pressure is probably okay, for the simple fact that it does bounce back to 40. And if it ever stops pulling, I'll just put it back down in second and go again. He said that it was ticking and ticking really bad, but it's really not ticking too bad. I don't hear a bad tick. It's got like a, I don't know, maybe a little tick. I don't know. Maybe I'm just sugarcoating. I don't know. But it's not like a, it don't sound like a lifter or nothing. I don't know. I'll let the mechanic look at it. Let's just hope there's no popos, because we're definitely running very illegal truck. That's how YouTube works though, right? But I seriously think if we drain some of the transmission fluid out, she'll purr like a kitten. Put her down in first. Okay, now our oil pressure gauge just dropped all the way to 0, which kind of makes me nervous. But I don't know. Oh, we hit third gear, guys. And we're slipping. I think we'll load her back up on the trailer here at the gas station. Yeah, she's knocking, guys. I can hear it now.
What's wrong with it?
It's knocking. Which a lifter could knock for 5 years. Because I was just going to go ahead and drain some fluid out of the transmission.
He said, go ahead and drive it home.
Let me drop some of this oil out of this transmission real quick.
Just take it. We're only going 45, 50, baby.
He don't think it'll blow up on
He
us?
said drop it down about 40.
Okay.
Just take it easy.
Okay. Oh yeah, that's a lifter. Okay. I just want to pull over and touch base with y'all. Okay, it does. Now that I put it in neutral and everything, it definitely has a lifter going tick, 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 tick. But that's okay. Still a beautiful truck that I love. When I first wanted this truck, all it needed was a drive shaft. Update. Lifter is ticking. Ready? I don't know if that's a lifter. But like I said, yeah, she might blow up. Update, guys, we blew her up. She's gone. She just blew smoke 9 miles, boy. Show you guys what happened under here real quick.